What's up guys, Harvey Hutch here. I'm here with the 2011 F250 and I'm here to tell you about the F250 bag kit, front and rear air suspension system that just released from Hutch's Welding right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just give you a really quick rundown, just kind of go over what we got going on. Truck's running because we're gonna be playing with the compressors, you know, and charging. Truck's running because fuck man. What's up guys, Harvey Hutch here. I'm here with the 2011 F250 and I'm here to showcase the air suspension system, air management. Fuck you. What's up guys, Harvey Hutch here. I'm here with the 2011 F250 and I'm here to showcase the new air suspension system that we just developed for this thing. Fully built in-house, ready to rock and roll, all four corners, airbag. Let's check it out. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown, go over what the ins and outs, we'll talk about it. It's running right now, I'm charging up the batteries. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll try to speak up as best as I can. So this is actually how it looks on the ground. Look at that fucking tuck, baby. So this is a 24 by 14 wheel. You can see that's how it's sitting. She look real nice. She thick, boy. So this is how the truck looks, quote unquote, laid out. That's laid out, but you know, for an F250 like this. So let's go ahead and let's go up and down with it. Show you the rear. So as you can see, it was probably half an inch off from the tire, and right now we're about 8.5. So this thing has about 8 inches of travel, which is pretty damn impressive. So a lot of you guys are gonna ask, you know, why the hell do I want this? Well, one, it looks cool and you can do dumb cool shit with it, but it also has a purpose and an added benefit with towing. This guy actually used to tow with this thing a lot. As you can see, it has a gooseneck. I mean, he's pulled trucks way bigger than this on this exact setup. So this is functional. It's not just for show. It does work. The purpose of it is, you know, when you have a lot of weight back there, the ass is gonna sag on traditional leaf spring. So with an air system, you can raise it where it needs to be and you're not ghost trailering it. Even though it looks cool, when you're actually ghost trailering it, it's not as cool. So let's take a quick peek and see what we got going on here. The kit is designed to be used with a Slam Specialties SS7 bag. Those are my personal favorites just because I like the way they collapse. They don't really balloon. I think they work really well. I just like their product a lot. So one really cool thing about this is that it's pretty much a bolt-on kit. Outside of having to weld the top plates on, which probably is going to change in the future, the best thing about this is it actually picks up the factory front leaf spring perch, and then it just bolts on your axle. It's using a basically a 3-link setup, very similar to like the front. And pretty much, yeah. Like I said, you got a bag, SS8 bag. It bolts right into the axle, has a lower perch, show you some of the management. This is the management I may or may not include, or I may come up with a bracket for the back, but this is an airlift 3-piece system. It's just using dual Viard compressors, a big, I believe 12-gallon tank, and the airlift valve block, which if you're running traditional valves, man, step up. It's all about the block these days. So moving on to the front. The front, same deal. I'm using a 7-inch bag in the front. So SS7 Slam Specialties in the front. Top plate, bottom plate, pretty simple. Very, very simple. Just bolts, just reuses the factory bottom spring perch down here. And that's it. Bolts, you know, slides in the top, bolts into the top, and I have a nice 7-inch bag. So awesome ride, great functionality, looks cool. This truck came in, this actually came in lowered. You had springs in the front and shackles in the back. So this is like the lowest it'll get on, you know, without actually cutting the whole fucking truck apart. But if you don't want it as low, you can install this kit with to your basically with your factory ride height, and then you can have the adjustability from there. So it's not just for lowered. Again, it's 4-man function. So let's check out the travel in the front. You can see this is about 10 and a half. And we're at, looks like 4 and a half. About 11, actually with more air. So you're getting about 6 inches of travel in the front, which is pretty damn cool. So, details. This is the prototype. This is the, prototype. This is the final kit. This is the first one. Pre-orders will be available on the website shortly. Check it out, hutcheswelding.com. This truck will be at Daytona Truck Meet. So, if you want to check out this kit in person, come see us. Taylor may or may not be there, so watch out, but this truck will definitely be there. Come check it out, check out the kit, hit us up, hutcheswelding.com for the F250 bag kit. Trying to get a good side shot of this thing going up and down for you guys. Bear with me, it's super that kind of works.